Long forms are time-consuming, which makes them a bit daunting. The best way to ensure your leads complete them is to give them a return point so they can break it down into smaller chunks. With this new feature, you can enable this option with a toggle, and your CRM will take care of the rest. Let's learn how. Navigate to the Forms, Surveys, or Quizzes tab inside the Sites section. Select the Settings tab from the top menu. Toggle Save Progress on. Click Save in the top right corner. This confirmation toggle lets you enable automatic progress saves for multi-step forms. This allows respondents to return later to continue where they left off or start over with a new submission, with automatically branded assets. During response time, progress is automatically saved if the respondent leaves before submitting, allowing them to seamlessly resume their progress when they come back. We hope you enjoy it.